Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I thought I can share with you a simple and yummy chicken biryani recipe. For that you can take one pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil, 4 onions, give a nice mix. Once it's done you can add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and salt for taste. Add handful of curry leaves and coriander leaves. Give a nice mix. At this point you can add 5 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder and 1 tablespoon of garam masalas. Give a nice mix. Add star resin, clove and cardamom and add 1 kg of chicken. Give a nice mix and keep it in a low flame for 15 minutes. At this point you can add some salt for taste and tomato and 2 tablespoons of curd and keep it in a low flame and your gravy is ready. In other side you can soak a basmati rice for 30 minutes and boil the rice completely by adding some garam masalas and cumin seeds. After that strain it. To keep in a dum you have to make a 3 layer. First layer with rice and second layer with half masalas, third layer with rice, fourth layer with masalas and fifth layer with rice, and for garnishing you can add some curry leaves, coriander leaves, some dry nuts like cashews or raisins or fried onions and add ghee. Keep it in a dum for 20 to 25 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.